Hi everyone, welcome to Thai Language Training Center video classroom, and this is Ablajan. And today we will learn lesson 101, a card from Jimmy. Assalamu alaikum sağdaşlar. Gayet tarbiyalash markazimizniki sin darsxonasiga kelganlarni qarshi olamiz. Hamda bugun yangi uqum inglizce birinchi qism 101 dars, a card from Jimmy degan mushu darsni o'rganib o'tamiz. Andaqda bu dars boshlashdan burun men sizlardan bir necha savol so'rab boqay. Okay. Andaqda qaranglar sağdaşlar. All right. So where do you often stay when you go traveling? All right, guys. So, amsa sağdaşlar sizlar sayohat chiqqanda odatda sizlar nari tursizlar. Okay, maybe in hotel, friend's home, in apartment, motel, or use hostel. Sağdaşlar amsa qaranglar, birinchisi nima? Hotel, mehmonxona, friend's home, do'stlaringizlarning uyi, okay, apartment, bino yoki motel. Agar endi men yerga motel degan nima degan gap desanglar, hamda ilgirki masalan yo'lda, masalan yo'l bo'yida o'sha shoferlarning turadigan yerini odatda motel deydilar. Lekin hozir hamda o'sha motel bilan hotelning bek cho'ng farqi qolmadi. Demakchi, bu bir mehmonxonaning bir turi. Hamda biz uyg'urcha bilan ilgari nima dang deydiq shunami? Okay, endi men yerga youth hostel. Good. And the youth hostel means a place where young people can stay cheaply when they are traveling. Good. Andaqda demakchi mush youth degan nima? Yoshlarniki, hostel degan nima? Masalan, sayohatga chiqqanda azaraq turadigan shu o'rinni nima deymiz? Youth hostel deymiz. Odatda hamda hostel bilan hotel mehmonxonaning bir cho'ng farqi nima desanglar? Hotelda masalan bir ayrim o'zingizga bir kishiga, yosh kishiga ayrim o'tirsizlar, lekin hostelga qanday desanglar, faqat sizlarga bir karavotlar ta'minlab beradi. Demak, masalan, onada bag'anda sizlar asosli nima tursizlar desanglar, degandek masalan shu bir karavot balkim bir uyda bir necha adam birga turadigan gap. Demakchi intayin azan. Okay, odatda mehmon kutish deb qo'yamiz-ku buni. Hostel. Okay, mehmonxona nima dedik? Hotel. Okay guys, so let's learn some, new words first. Andaqda yangi so'zlarni o'rganib o'taylik. Okay. Ans qaranglar sağlash bu ekrandagi rasmda bu kishi qarasanglar bir milliy kiyim kiyyapti shu. Bu nalik do'stlarimcha. Okay, yeah, he's from Scotland. Yaxshi, Scotland. Ana Scotland degan nima qarasanglar? Scotland. It's a part of UK. All right. Amsa xarita qarab boqsanglar bo'ladi. Xarita qarab boqsanglar bo'ladi. Bu nima qarasanglar? The United Kingdom nang xaritasi shunami? Ams qarasanglar United Kingdom, masalan birinchi rasm nima? England. Ma qizil tug'ay yeri nima qarasanglar? England. Okay, endi mana nima? Purple tug'ay yeri nima qarasanglar? Scotland. Undan keyin mana ko'k tug'ay yerichi Ireland. Okay, what about next one? Next one is Wales, right? Good. Keyingisi nima qarasanglar? Wales. Ana demakchi biz biladigan Angliya qanday desanglar, amaliyotda shu 4 davlatniki birikmasi yoki birlashgan qanday desanglar bir podshohlik. Bu nima desanglar? United Kingdom deydigan gapchi. United Kingdom demakchi shu Scotland degan nima? Odatda biz uyg'ur tilida Shotlandiya deymiz-ku. Shuningki bir qismi. Okay. Endi o Shotlandiyaniki bayroq qaysi desanglar? Nahmi shu. Scotland. Alright, endi masalan balkim ilgari ko'rganlar Qaysar yurak degan kinoda shuningki William Wallace demakchi shu 1200-yillar atrofida o'tgan real shaxs. Bu nalik desanglar, shu Scotland. Okay, Scottish. Alright, do you see this picture? Qaranglar, bu rasm. Okay, bu nima ekan? Sanglar karta, oddiribka shunami? Demak, card deganimizda hamda karta. Masalan, har xil turlari bor-ku. A piece of paper with a picture used sending somebody a greeting. Demakchi, boshqalarga salom yo'llaydigan bir parcha rasmli qog'ozni odatda ingliz definition deymiz. Sanglar card deydigan gap. Masalan, birthday card. Demakchi tug'ilgan kun kartasi emas, tug'ilgan kunda yo'llaydi, tug'ilgan kuningiz muborak bo'lsin, bunday degan. Shunami? Good luck card. All right, and the good luck card bo'lsa nima desanglar? Boshqa baxat, omad, ta'la yo'llagan nima? Good luck card. Okay, answer cümle qarabaqlar. He sent me some cards from the USA. Okay, müşarike some nima cards. Endi men oldida some bo'lgan degan savolashlar nima bir qancha shunami sanig'ini bo'lgan degan nima cho'qim asli cards bo'lish kerak. U menga Amerikadan qanda bir nechta parcha nima yo'lladi? Adretka yo'lladi degan gap. Card degan nima ekan? Karta, adretka. Okay. Qaranglar. So what is she doing? Qaranglar, u ayol nima ish qilyapti? Qizchaning nima ish qilyapti? She is writing a card. Okay, u bir parcha adretka qanday qilyapti? Yozyapti, shunami? Okay, endi bu yerga write. Buni ko'p savolashlar yangi o'rgandik write deb o'qigan, write emas, nima bu write. Okay, men oldingi w qanday qilmaydi? Talaffuz qilmaydi. Demak, nima write. Okay. Endi write ni o'tgan zaman shakli wrote, o'tgan bitgan shakli written. Okay, written. Okay, endi qaranglar, endi bor esimdagi nima ekan bolalar? NBA. And the NBA nimaning qisqartirilmasi desanglar National Basketball Association. Okay, endi bu yerga National mamlakatlik davlatlik basketball association. Okay, endi bu yerga association degan nima? Birlashmasi. Demakchi, mamlakatlik yoki davlatlik basketbol birlashmasi. Onun ekan nima u? YHA, the YHA degan nima desanglar, the Youth Hostels Association. Ana Youth Hostel deganimiz ham nima desanglar, shu yoshlar mehmon kutish nimasi birlashmasi. All right. So look, Jimmy will write a letter in a short time. Nima? Jimmy xat yozmoqchi in a short time. Intan qisqa vaqtdan keyin yoki qisqa vaqtda ham qanday qilmoqchi yozmoqchi. Ana bu short time o'rniga soon. Demakchi, men yerga soon degan nima desanglar, in a very short time. Demakchi, intan qisqa vaqtda ham pat yaqinda, pat orada degan gap. Pat orada degan gap. Demakchi, ma'lum kichikroq vaqtdan keyin degan gap. Pat yaqinda. All right. Next one. Look and say. Amsa mana basqanda dabanglar savolash. Birinchisi nima? Birinchi hamdiga good card. Okay, macho. Scotland. Okay, right. Okay, youth hostels. All right. Okay, guys. Look at the text. Before starting our text, first listen carefully. Okay, the audio. Okay, and so understand. All right. So before starting our text, first listen and answer our question. Okay, so understand. Avval sizlarga mushniki bir anlash qismini qo'yib beraylik. Sizlar ham diqqat qilib bir anlasanglar. Okay, guys, you need to first listen and fill in the Jimmy's card. And so qaranglar, endi men ekranda ko'rinib turibdi. Ko'rinib turganda bu Jimmy'sning kelgan card ekan shunami. Sizlar shu men anlash qismini qo'yib beray. Hamda qo'yish davomida sizlar mush anlab, mushni bir avval to'shqizab baqsanglar.
Lesson 101. A card from Jimmy. Listen to the tape, then answer this question. Does grandmother seem pleased to get a card from Jimmy? Why? Why not?
Read Jimmy's card to me, please, Penny. I have just arrived in Scotland and I'm staying at a youth hostel. Eh? He says he's just arrived in Scotland. He says he's staying at a youth hostel. You know, he's a member of the YHA. The what? The YHA, Mum. The Youth Hostels Association. What else does he say? I'll write a letter soon. I hope you are all well. What? Speak up, Penny. I'm afraid I can't hear you. He says he'll write a letter soon. He hopes we are all well. Love, Jimmy. Is that all? He doesn't say very much, does he? He can't write very much on a card, Mum.
Okay, good. Answer. Balık toşuza bakalım sağlaşlar. Okay, dear grandma and mom. Okay. Demek, I have just arrived in Scotland and I'm staying at a youth hostel. I will write a letter soon. I hope you are all well. Love, Jimmy. Okay, nayda yaxshi sağolashlar. Hamda bu inglizlar xat yozganda sağolashlar. Birinchi yo'lab nima desanglar, beshiga dear deganni olamiz. Demakchi qadrlik. Demakchi dear grandma, qadrlik cho'ng opa, and mom, qadrlik opa. Shunaqa. I have just arrived in Scotland. Men abaylam qanaqalim yoki yaqinlam men Scotlandga yetib keldim. And I'm staying at a youth hostel. Hamda men nima ishqol Ögünə turvatma, şu yaşlarınki mehman kütüşdə turvatma. Mən pat yaxın sizlərə xət yazma, sizlərin əmmanlarınki yaxşı olsanlar ümid qılma, sizlərini suyub, yaxşı görüb, cemi də bəvədibdə. Onundaki mayını qarsanlar Penny 28 King Street, London. Bu 28. numurluq padişah yoki xanjamat ko'chasi London deb yozib tushunami? Demakchi mana adres yozishimizda. Okay. Anaqda sağolashlar, endi bu tekstimizniki language focus. Endi muhim nuqtalarga bir qarab baqaylik. Qarab baqsaq, masalan, birinchi jumlasini nima dersanglar? Read Jimmy's card to me, please, Penny. All right. Endi bu yerga birinchi nuqta nima dersanglar? Read something to somebody. All right. And read something to somebody degan ham demishadi nima dersanglar? Ma'lum ma'sni, masalan, yoki xatni, yoki kitob jurnalni boshqalarning anglishiga qanday qilish, o'qib berish. O'qib berishni deymiz. Read something to somebody. Masalan, read the news in that magazine to me. Okay, demakchi ma'noda read blah 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 or something to somebody. Cho'qim ma'noda diqqat qilinglar, to somebody. Okay, masalan, I have a sore throat. Would you please read the text for me? Okay, and we have to read something for somebody. Okay, and we have to read something for somebody degan nima desanglar, mishara ma'lum bir kishiga vakolatan yoki ma'lum bir kishining o'rnida shuni boshqalarga qanday qilib berish, o'qib berish bo'lsa, read something for somebody. Okay, and read something to somebody degan tushunsanlar, ma'lum birisiga qanday qilish, shuni anglishiga o'qib berish. Okay. Miyara, would you please degan aytib, nima degan gap desanglar, shuni aytib agitib aytilgan aytib, takalluf so'zi. Would you please manda qilpasangiz degan. Okay, and I have a sore throat. Sore degan ham manda ishib qolgan, yalab qolgan, throat degancha, gal demakchi mening gelim og'rib qoldi. Demakchi I have a sore throat deganimiz mening gelim og'rib qoldi degan gap. Shunga bir xafa bo'lmay, bu tekstni men bir o'qib bera olamsiz degan gap. Would you please read the text for me? Good. All right, look at the second sentence. Okay, what else does he say? Okay, endi qaranglar, what else? Musharaka, what else do you like? Yana bir jumla qarasanglar, yana boshqa nimani qanday qilsangiz, yoqtirsangiz. Okay. Endi demakchiki, musharaka else degan nima desanglar, boshqa narsa degan gap, boshqa. Masalan, what else? Yana boshqa nima? When else? Yana boshqa qaysi vaqtda? Shunaqa, where else? Yana boshqa qaysi o'rinda? Okay, who else? Yana boshqa kim? Okay, shunaqa, anything else? Okay, yana boshqa narsalar bormi? Okay, anything else? Yana boshqa nimalar bormi? degan gap. Demakchi boshqa shunaqa. Anyone else? Yana boshqalarchu degan gap. Okay. Okay, endi yana bir jumla shakli qarasanglar, he doesn't say very much, does he? Okay. Endi bu yerga oldi qaranglar, bo'lishsiz jumla va keyindagi nima desanglar, does he demakchi bir tasdiq jumla shunami? Demakchi bu nima desanglar, shu qaytarma so'roq jumla bo'ldi. Bu yerga hamda agar oldi bo'lishsiz bo'lib qolsa, foring bo'lib qolsa, keyini qanday desanglar bo'lishliq bo'ldi. Agar hamda oldi bo'lishliq bo'lib qolsa, keyini qanday bo'lishsiz bo'ldi. Demakchi oldi kunding bo'lsa, keyini nima? Foring bo'ldi. voting bo'ldi. Endi bu qanday desanglar, ko'pincha o'sha o'zinglarning hukmini texim bir qanday qilib o'tish, texim bir muqimlashtirib o'tish, shuni jazmlashtirib o'tish hamda ba'zida bir hayronlikni yoki sizlarning ochiqlik kelganini ifodalaganda qanday qilmaydi desanglar, odatda o'sha tasdiq shu muchumni shildagan gap. Masalan, qaranglar, bir necha mashq qilib qolganlar. He has just arrived in Scotland. Hasn't he? Okay, and has just arrived. And hozirgi bitgan zaman uchun. Ama buni have done, shunga miyari hasn't he oldikanding bo'lsa. Okay, and he is staying at a youth hostel. Isn't he? Okay. He will write a letter soon, won't he? He can't write very much on a card. Can he? Deganga o'xshash. All right. Amsalashlar, amsama tekstimizni qarab boqaylik. Tekstimizni qayta bir qatam o'zimiz nima qilib biraylik. Qayta adapter. Okay, and read. Okay, read Jimmy's card to me, please, Penny. Jimmy'ning otritkisini menga bir o'qib bergan bo'lsangiz, Penny. Derechnaga ochun apsi, ma Jimmy'ning apsiga. And buni da o'qibdi Penny. Okay, I have just arrived in Scotland and I'm staying at a youth hostel. Endi arkadaşlar, men abaylamga yaqinlam, nagitib keldim, Shotlandiyaga yetib keldim, hamda hozir nada bir yoshlar mehmon kutishib turyapman. Okay. Oh, he's just arrived in Scotland and he's okay. And manga grandma nimda desa nima demakchi u aniq anglayolmagancha shunami anglayolmaganligini nimda desanglar, he says u dediki he has just arrived in Scotland. U nega yetib kelibdi? Shotlandiyaga yaqinda yetib, abaynam yetib kelibdi. He says u deyduki he is staying at a youth hostel. U hozir nima turib o'tibdi? Bir yoshlar mehmonxona, yoshlar mehmon kutish turib o'tibdi. You know, he's the member of the YHA. And the member of the missionaki a'zosi, YHA demakchi shu yoshlar mehmonxona. Ana kutish birlashmasidanki a'zosi. Okay. The what? The YHA mom. Nima this a YHA mom? And demakchi YHA ni tushuntiradi. Now the Youth Hostel Association. Okay. So what else does he say? Uningda boshqa u yana nima gap qilibdi desa, I'll write a letter soon. I hope you are all well. Nima desanglar, uningda yana boshqa nima deb desanglar, men patiqada xat yozaman, sening amallarning yaxshi bo'lishini, salomat turishinglarni umid qilaman debdi. Okay, what? Speak up, Penny. Oy, nima dedingiz? Speak up. Chungroq gap qilsangiz, Penny. Desa, I'm afraid I can't hear you. Men and I'm afraid degan nima desanglar, men qo'rqayman, men ensirayman degan gap. I can't hear you. Demakchi, buni aytishlik spayalda men gapingizni anglayolmayman demakchi, boshqalarningki so'zni inkor qilganda ko'pincha shu I'm afraid degan ishlatamiz. Okay, desa. Okay, he says he'll write a letter soon. He hopes we are all well. Nima? U deyduki, u qanday pati, qanday xat yozmoqchi ekan, hamda hammamizningki naytdi sog'-salomat turishimizni qanday qilgan, umid qildik ekan deydi. Okay. Is that all? Voy mushunchirakmi? He doesn't say very much, does he? U jiq gap qilmabdi, jiq gap yozmabdi shundaqmi? Desa, oh, he can't write very much on a card, mom. Voy be kartaga unday jiq yozgani bo'lmaydi, atritga mom debdi. Okay. Anaqda sağlaşlar, hamda bu dersimizdagi sentence structure qarab boqaylik, and muhim bo'lgan nimasi. Qaranglar, Jimmy that I have just arrived in Scotland and I'm staying at a youth hostel. Okay, and what does he say? And he says that he has just arrived in Scotland. He says that he's staying at a youth hostel. Okay. And bu nima jumlalar sanlar bugun o'rganmoqchi bo'lganimiz sağlaşlar bu nimalar sanlar birga ma'o birinchi nimalar sanlar qistirma jumla. Demakchi boshqalarning gapini bevosita qanday qilgan, ishi qistirgan. Okay, endi ma tegrik so'z sanlar o'zlashtirma jumla. Bu qanday sanlar xuddi masalan muxbirlikniki masalan nurg'un xabarlarni o'zining gapiga aylantirib, o'zlashtirib bizga deb bergani, shu o'zlashtirma jumla bo'ldi. O'zlashtiruvchi bo'ldi. Endi men o bevosita qistirma jumla degan nima yarasan? U dediki, men Amerikaga bormoqchi. Shunama deganda hamda shu boshqalarning gapini bevosita ham shu tirnoq ichiga eklasa, bu qistirma jumla bo'ldi. Qistirma jumla bo'ldi. All right. Aniqda shuningki bir muhim bir qoidasi bor sadoshlar. Bo'lib qanday desanglar, Mesela man degende şu özdeştirme cümlege aylandı olganda qanday qildi desanglar, cho'qim mushariki iga yana birga şu munosabatli holda fe'llar qanday qildi desanglar o'zgarish bo'ldi. Masalan, I have just arrived in Scotland and I'm staying at a youth hostel. Shunaqa. Endi buni özdeştirme cümlege aylandı olganda, masalan, u deydi-ki, shunaqa he says and o'tirdagi that degan bog'lashni alsaq bo'ladimi? Saqim bo'ldi? That he. Endi bu yerga shu jemi shunama, shunlashqa özdeşim cümlelerinde ama beşideki birlikini saklaş üçün he özgerdi. He özgerdi degan mas alda aldır ki I have deganni have qanday qildi? Has o'zgaradi. Demakchi he has just arrived in Scotland. Okay, endi mana keyingi jumlasi ko'rsangiz he says he's staying at a youth hostel. Okay. O'xshashlam nima? He o'zgargan ekan. Endi I'm staying shnama, ama o nimaga o'zgardi? Uchinchi shaxs birlikka o'zgardi. Qaranglar, I'll write a letter soon. I hope you are all well. And what does he say? What does he hope? Okay, endi yana he says derishnama o'zlashtirma jumlaga aylanib olgan savolashlar. Qaranglar, miyarga egisi he o'zgargan ekan, ma well hammasi o'xshash emasmi? Birinchi shaxsmi, uchinchi shaxsmi? He will write a letter soon. And he hopes, okay, u umid qiladi-ki that deganiki deb tarjima we are all well. And nimashqa you are all well. And jemi dedi-ku, jemi and apsi bilan ammumusninki salomatligining yaxshi bo'lishini umid qildi. Shunga endi miyari o'qiyotgan odam nima desanglar jemining apsi shunami? Apsi bo'lgandan keyin biz demakchi shu grandma bilan shu mother shu ikkisiniki we are all well deb o'zgaradigan gap. Okay, o'zgaradigan gap. Odatda mushu odatda qanday qilib mushu that degan musharik bog'lovchini odatda qanday qilgan bo'ldi? Qisqartib etsak bo'ladi. All right. Okay, and so savolash bir necha mashq qilib qo'yaylik. Look and tell the grandmother. And bundan qarab hamda grandma so'zlab qo'yinglar. I'm tired. Nima? He says, nima? He's tired. Good. And so I'm thirsty. What does he say? He says she's thirsty. Nima? Okay, I feel cold. What does he say? He says he feels cold. Okay, good. I'm ill. What does he say? She says she's ill. Okay. Next, I have cold. What does he say? She says she has a cold. Okay, I have a headache. What does he say? He says she has a headache. Okay, I need a license. What does he say? He thinks he needs a license. Yaki onuncha o nimaga bir pravoga ehtiyojli ekan. Okay, and the miyariki alright guys, and savolasi qarasanglar, bizniki mana mashqimizniki ma bir necha tutashtirish bor ekan. Shuni bir tutashtirib etsak. Qaranglar, he says he miyariki has got, feels, will sell, needs, must wait for deydi. Masalan, keyin qarasanglar cold, to'ngmoq, a bus, a haircut, tired, cold, thirsty, an x-ray, an earache, his degandek. But he says he has got a cold. He has got an earache. Has got a cold, zugandab qalmoq, and he has got an earache, masalan quloq yalab bo'lib qalmoq deganda. Shunaqa? Ana feels qaranglar, feels cold, to'ngmoq, feels tired, og'moq, feels thirsty, ufsimoq, feels ill, og'rib qalmoq. Okay? He will sell, okay, sell his house. Okay, he needs, okay, a haircut, he needs, an x-ray. What about must wait for a bus? Okay, and so let's rewrite the sentence. He says, I often walk my dog after dinner. He says that he often walks his dog after dinner. And then my father tells me, you must get up at 6. Okay, and my father tells me that, and then I must get up at 6. Demakchi, O dadam manga degandikan shunga mening manda qo'pishimni qanday qildi? O dedi. Shunaqa. Jim tells the doctor, I've got an earache. And Jill tells the doctor, and the so'z got he has got an earache. Okay, and Linda says we're going to see a film tonight. Okay, Linda says they are going to see a film tonight. Okay, and we are deganimda ular deb o'zgartdi. Okay, and the girl, the little girl says, I have to lost my way. The little girl says that he has lost his way. Okay, guys. So that's all for today. And if you want to further information about our class, please download our app, like Rai app, and you can download from our website. Okay, guys. So that's all for today. And if you want to further information about our class, please download our app, Rai app. Sağdaşlar, hamsa muşunun gayet texim köp mezmunlarını köymekçi olsanlar, bizdeki gayet detalımızın düşersanlar, şununki sizin derslik dege yere nayette tepsili, şu dersliklerinin yeşbisi, sözlerinin okuluşu, tekstinin okuluşu tatip hemmini aslı bağa. Muşunun çürvasanlı buldu ve yaki bizdeki muşu tanışınınki, tor ders xanımızı kırsanlı buldu, onunki tor adresini muşu imişerin tapalaysizlar. Şu video derslikten. Buldu hamsa bo'lsa shu tekst yodlashni qat'iy tashlamanglar. Cho'qim tekstni hammasini yodlabmanglar. Qancha ko'p yodlasanglar, qanday desanglar shuncha yaxshi. Sizlarniki bir kitobni yodlaganinglar, 10 kitobni o'rganganingizda yaxshiroqchi. Shuncha yodlabmanglar. Okay. Bo'ldi hamsa bugun mishaga olsun. Keyingi darsda ko'rishaylik. Goodbye.